Why are Australian house floor plans more compact and focused on sustainable living? Day, architecture enthusiasts. Welcome back to Inspiring Homes FAQ. Today, we're embarking on an illuminating journey into the heart of Australian house design. Ever wondered why Aussie homes are often more compact and emphasize sustainable living? Stick around as we unravel the mysteries behind these intentional choices, offering insights into the unique characteristics that define Australian house floor plans. 1. Compact living in Australia. Australia's architectural landscape has transformed towards embracing more compact living spaces. Despite the vast land, Australians are increasingly favoring smaller homes. We'll explore the cultural and practical factors influencing this trend, challenging the notion that bigger is always better. From urban centers to suburban areas, discover why Aussies are opting for homes that prioritize efficiency without compromising comfort. 2. Embracing sustainable living. Sustainability has become a cornerstone of Australian house design, reflecting a national commitment to environmental responsibility. We'll delve into the reasons behind this emphasis, from the nation's eco-conscious ethos to the growing awareness of the impact of climate change. Explore how Australians are integrating sustainable practices into their homes, from energy-efficient features to the use of environmentally friendly materials. 3. Climate considerations. Australia's diverse climate, ranging from tropical in the north to temperate in the south, significantly influences house floor plans. We'll explore how architects leverage design strategies to address the challenges posed by extreme weather conditions. From optimizing natural ventilation to incorporating shading techniques, Australian homes are crafted to harmonize with the environment while maintaining a compact footprint. 4. Government initiatives and regulations. The Australian government has played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's sustainable housing landscape. We'll discuss various initiatives, regulations, and incentives that encourage homeowners and builders to adopt green building practices. From mandatory energy ratings to grants for sustainable upgrades, these policies are propelling Australia towards a more environmentally conscious future. 5. Case studies and examples. To bring these principles to life, we'll explore inspiring case studies and examples. Take a closer look at homes that seamlessly integrate sustainability into their designs, showcasing innovation without compromising on style or functionality. Whether it's a chic urban apartment or a sustainable suburban haven, these examples demonstrate the versatility and environmental consciousness of Australian house floor plans. 6. Architectural innovations. Australian architects are pioneering innovations that redefine the boundaries of sustainable design. We'll shine a spotlight on key architectural advancements, including passive design principles, modular construction, and cutting-edge technologies. These innovations not only contribute to compact and sustainable living, but also set a global benchmark for eco-friendly architecture. 7. Community and lifestyle choices. Beyond architectural design, Australians are making lifestyle choices that complement compact and sustainable living. We'll explore how a strong sense of community, an appreciation for outdoor living, and a shift towards minimalist aesthetics contribute to a holistic approach that extends beyond the physical structure of the home. 8. Challenges and future trends. While Australia leads in sustainable design, it's not without challenges. We'll address hurdles such as affordability and changing demographics. Additionally, we'll peek into the future, discussing emerging trends that will further shape the landscape of Australian house floor plans, ensuring a continued commitment to sustainability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the intentional choices behind Australian house floor plans reflect a harmonious balance between efficient living, cultural values, and environmental responsibility. As we've uncovered the secrets of compact and sustainable design, it's evident that Australia's approach offers valuable lessons for a world increasingly conscious of its ecological footprint. If you found this exploration of Australian house floor plans enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think more countries should adopt Australia's approach to sustainable living? Inspiring Homes FAQ is your go-to YouTube channel for cutting-edge content on innovative home designs, smart living solutions, and sustainable architecture. Dive into a world where AI-driven avatars guide you through the latest trends, expert advice, and inspiring stories, transforming houses into dream homes. Discover the future of living with us. #InspiringHomesFAQ #HomeDesignAnswers